Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our analysis for this Friday through Monday, June 11 to 14, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. We have a tropical disturbance or low pressure area of the northern part of the South China Sea outside of the Philippine area of responsibility. It is also known as a monsoon depression since the winds is much stronger along the periphery rather than near the center. So it is likely to develop later on into a tropical storm as it moves closer towards Hainan Island. So this is 92W. Right now, it has been upgraded to medium chance of becoming a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours. So it's already an active LPA, and the presence of this LPA will continue to enhance the Southwest Monsoon or Habagat, bringing some on and off rainfall with thunderstorms and winds from the southwest of 30 to 40 kph across the large area of the South China and West Philippine Seas, including the Hainan Island group of the Spratlys, and also Palawan, and the western sections of central and southern Luzon. That includes western Zambales, western Pangasinan, Bataan, as well as the western sections of Batangas, including the occidental Mindoro area, the coastal areas. These areas will have this kind of weather, and it's somewhat cooler compared to days of hot weather. So this LPA is not, or this potential storm is not a threat to our country, but at the back of this system is the Southwest Monsoon that could bring much needed rainfall across the western sections of the Philippine Islands. Across the Philippines, especially over the Bicol region, rest of Luzon, rest of Visayas, northeastern Mindanao, we will have the convergence of the southwest and northeasterly winds. This is known as the Monsoon Trough, as you can see it here. And there's some cloudiness over the Philippine Sea, which is a part of this trough, and it's not expected to develop into a low pressure area. Outside of PAW, we have a weak tropical disturbance here, 93W, moving slowly towards the north, and this is not a threat to our country as well. So far, that's the latest on the Western Pacific and the Philippine Sea, including the South China and West Philippine Seas. By the way, residents here who are planning to go fishing must take all necessary precautions for possible large waves brought about by the Southwest Monsoon. So it's going to be really choppy seas across these areas. So please take all necessary precautions. And those living along the western coastline must be prepared for possible flooding if we have a very strong isolated thunderstorms brought about by the monsoon. Okay, and let's take a look at the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin CIMSS Tropical Cyclone page. So here's their Himawari 9 satellite loop. As you can see, as the afternoon progresses, lots of thunderstorms can be observed in various parts of the country, and as we zoom in using the windy.com satellite animation, almost everywhere across the Philippine Islands will have some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms. Some areas will have cloudy skies only, but rest assured, these areas will be experiencing some rain showers, light, moderate, at times heavy, if ever you're in the core of the developing thunderstorms. Even here in Metro Manila, expect some very strong, heavy rainfall brought about by the Monsoon Trough and the Southwest Monsoon here over the western sections of the country. And let's take a look at the 3-day rainfall accumulation from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. As you can see here, for the next 3 days until Sunday, lots of rainfall is in its store over the West Philippine and South China Seas due to the Southwest Monsoon. as well as various portions of Mindanao, Visayas, and Luzon. There could be isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening, and some thunderstorms as well over the areas of Palawan. And as we look at our pressure and wind forecast courtesy of windy.com, this is the American model. Since the European model is very similar to its track, so we're only going to focus on the American model. So for tomorrow, after 24 hours, the LPA might become a tropical depression or even a tropical storm. Actually, the Japan Meteorological Agency is now classifying this as a tropical depression moving towards Hainan. And on the forecast for tomorrow afternoon, it could become a tropical storm as it traverses Hainan Island into the Gulf of Tonkin. So the Southwest Monsoon will continue to prevail over the West Philippine and South China Seas. And on Sunday afternoon, it will make landfall over the border of southern China and Vietnam, passing, let me see, moving closer towards the northern inland areas of Vietnam. So it will pass south of Hanoi. So expect some heavy rainfall and some gusty winds over these areas because of the approach of that potential tropical storm. So here in the Philippine Islands, it's somewhat quiet, except for the western seaboards where the southwest monsoon will still prevail on Saturday and Sunday, and some variable winds and localized convection will give some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms all throughout the country. This is due to the prevailing monsoon trough. Okay, monsoon trough is somewhere here like that. Okay, and then on Monday, the southwest monsoon will again move back across the western sections of the country, bringing some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms on the western sections, while over the Bicol region, some southwesterly surface wind flow will be expected, and expect also some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, while other parts of Visayas, southern Palawan, Mindanao will have a very slight wind from the west. And so far, that's the latest from our wind forecast. And here's the track of the Japan Meteorological Agency. As you can see, for the next 3 days, it will traverse the areas of Hainan Island through moving towards the Gulf of Tonkin, and will make a second landfall over northern Vietnam, weakening into a low pressure or tropical depression on that will be on June 14. Okay, that will be on Monday. So on Monday, it will dissipate and will be just a low pressure area over inland southern China or the northernmost part of Vietnam. So far, we will not issue any updates for Typhoon 2000 storm tracking because it's already outside of the Philippine area of responsibility. Our main focus is only for the Philippine Islands. So you can refer to the Japan Meteorological Agency and also the Joint Typhoon Warning Center in the coming days. Okay, so far that's the latest, and I hope you will have a good weekend ahead. We will be back on Monday to give you more update here on the Philippine Islands. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.